Hey folks! Flying drones can be an absolute blast, but did you know it's also a big responsibility? Today I'm breaking down why drone insurance is essential for your business. Let's dive in. First up, the importance of drone insurance. Drones are valuable, yet prone to accidents. From malfunctions and operator errors to unpredictable weather. According to an FAA report from 2023, drone-related incidents have increased by 25%. That's huge. Insurance protects you from the financial consequences of property damage, injuries, lawsuits, and even lost equipment. Now let's talk coverage. There are different types of drone insurance. 1. This covers damage or injury to third parties or property. It's mandatory for commercial operators in many regions like the US and EU. 1. This takes care of damages to your drone itself, especially important if you've got an expensive setup. 1. Got extra equipment like cameras? This covers that. 1. This covers privacy violations or defamation, a must if you're capturing footage in sensitive areas. Why is insurance so essential? 1. It's mandatory in many places. You don't want to face penalties for non-compliance. 1. It covers repair and replacement costs, along with legal claims. 1. It shows professionalism and can help you secure more contracts. 1. Focus on your business goals without worrying about liabilities. Choosing a carrier is crucial. Look for established providers like Global Aerospace, Skywatch.ai, or Verifly. Ensure they offer the coverage you need, can customize policies, handle claims smoothly, and provide good value. Real-world examples. In construction, a drone crash was covered by liability and hull insurance. In agriculture, a lost camera was replaced thanks to payload insurance. And in filmmaking, personal injury insurance covered legal costs from a privacy violation. So protect your business and fly with peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See y'all next time.